Good morning, good morning, good morning, Baghdad. Good morning, Celine. Now we are here already in the kitchen and I finished the balcony, the small balcony of Cici and the laundry. Because I need to put the laundry outside while very early. I need sun to smell good. And at least at the night, it's not so much.
The bowl.
Ngayon, oh, say hello. Hello, Celine. And now, I'm planning to this one for Cici. Because now is Friday naman, so we have no too much stock here in the kitchen, no?
I want place for Elsa.
Elsa, later, just a minute later. Okay? So adding what we have here in the salada, we eat now because it's already Friday. I have my cake, also my cake. No need na to cook, no need na lang mag-cook ng egg kasi straight na egg. Maybe some milk na lang. There is milk sa ano ni Celine. This one for, may milk pa so it is here. Okay, I let to Cici.
Now me, I know make my milk myself.
Yeah.
I show you.
Don't put we have no extra, we have no too much. Add na lang, never mind this one. Okay? Oh, put that one, put. Ito gidaran, si Grace na rin mag-put na lang muna.
Their shape is hard.
Yeah, okay. Okay. That's what we do here Friday. We are not moving quickly, we have time because no school.
Is finish or baan?
Fish Y. Haram if we throw it this one, Grace. It's not expired pa naman yan.
No, this one for me.
Yeah, it's did pa. So if we go to supermarket, inshallah, we will buy another new one.
Yeah.
It's no more. Okay. Yellow, because this one. We have soy pa. Ayan, I told you. The milk, that one of your Papa. Miss Kapi. He's using the fresh milk. This one I need to drink my own shit. Fruits, no need na lang magano ng fruits. Kasi today, just one day sometimes, Celine, I reserve sabay pang ganun, we reserve that one for Sunday. Inunod na lang kami mag-cook. And I met the yesterday, nag-shy naman ako yesterday. So we have stuff for this one. Okay. So this one is I make for myself also. And when I finish Cici to take the breakfast of Cici and Miss wife, so I start cleaning soy in the balcony, the big balcony. That's what I'm feeling, that here you cannot clean every day. You must to clean every day. Even slight, it weekend, Saturday and Friday. I clean only slight, not so much, but what I mean, not clean everything. Because Cici, Saturday and Friday and Saturday she is with in the house, and Madam also and Sir, so that's why. But Monday or Sunday to Thursday, That is the schedule of my daily cleaning. So that's all. Where is the spoon of Celine? Use na the normal spoon. Dito, yun na drink little bit na nga ng milk. Banana milk to. So what we have? Adi na lang kung baga pa sisilin pa, puro sisilin adi. Adi lang daw, adi, it's okay. Normal life as here. In the house, my hair, it's like normal only. Our normal daily routine hair. And then, if I finish na to clean, so that is the right time we go. If we go out, if she want to go out also, I need to finish first my slight work. But if sometimes also if no need, it depends on the amo. If they say that Kayla, we go. No need na to fix later, that's all. But sometimes talaga, especially in the hammam, nako, if they're using the hammam, I cannot say that the hammam I clean tomorrow again. I must to clean again. You know why? Because of the mirror, no, the glass. It's spotting, and I don't like to see it. It's not easy to remove. Even sometimes you put the glass cleaner. Because some of them, that one is old. It's not removed quickly. I don't know, maybe because when they fix that one, that's at least I clean. That's the reason. And I don't like the hammam is the bad smell. Especially if the whole, there is, what's that, like this one, they can remove it. Nako. Maybe that is if they are fixing or to clean the maintenance. What I mean, the maintenance ba? We are salt pa. Sugar, we have soy sugar. Now I can put the sugar. And I have peanut. I have only peanut. I have no more strawberry na. This one I don't want to boil too much because this one is the drinking water, so I make hot only. Except if the water from the sink. So that's why, but here it's for drink. And I think what time is it, Celine? It's almost 8:30 or what? It's very quickly rin to answer. Ay, naku po, Mia. Again, happy weekend. Happy Friday to every one of us, nationwide and worldwide. Sa buong mundo, saan man kayo naroroon, whatever you do. If you are still sleepy, or I don't know, you are working, or you are eating, same as usual, not the same time, all of us. Sa bawat country, siya po mo, natural, di ba? Hindi naman talaga the same, we are not the same time. Because we are different countries, belong in different countries. So that's why. Okay. And this one, Celine. Okay. The important that she is not hungry. And quickly pa naman she's stealing. So, that's what I need. Sometimes, I need talaga, I have stock in the freezer because if she is hungry, she's telling to me, I want nuggets, I want finger, I want the, like a Kentucky by small slice. So, I can cook easily. It's easily. That is the basic cook. That's what I do here. Sometimes, if no, rice, always we have white rice. And sometimes also no more laban. Because rice, white rice, I can use in the laban. Laban yogurt, by yogurt, what I mean, yogurt, you can use. And she eat. Okay? So again, thank you very much. For watching to my simple video. And thank you that you have more patience and kindness to watch my simple video. Hair, skin, for the hair in Baghdad. I'm a house me. House nanny. With Sissy. Okay? I forgot the sounds, that one. Okay, now once again. Shout out to all of us, nationwide and worldwide. I wish that you subscribe me while you are watching of my YouTube channel, of my videos. As a hadiah na lang, as a gift, as a Christmas gift. I'm just lambing. Kung sa Tagalog pa, just lambing to us a gift to support my YouTube channel here in Baghdad. Likes, share. It depends of you, because I cannot naman command to you that you must to make like if you don't like, and you must to share if you don't like also. So it depends of you, from the bottom of your heart, from the bottom of my heart also. I am just asking a favor and say thank you for everything. Thank you for our good health. Thank you sa another day sa life natin. Every day I'm repeating and telling that one, because that is good for us. Okay? Good health. The most important for us is good health. Take care of ourselves. Individual, each of us, you must take care of ourselves. Okay? And I am busy watching of Sissy while I'm talking of you. No, I'm just telling in the out. Okay, and bye. Have a wonderful weekend to everyone. God bless us all. Thank you. Yung attire ko, you see? This one is the mother of Madam. TikTok. How to use the TikTok? I don't know how to TikTok now. I'm just only have concentrate on my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for the company of the YouTube channel. Keep safe lagi and God bless us all. Thanks for the thank you also for the support. Bye. Yung kilay ko pa naman ang wala sa mood. Dito sa labas pala yan. O, yan yung sun, o. Mano yung sun. Sa kitchen kasi namin yan sa window for the kitchen.